Hey, hi. Today here we discuss about chemical kinetics, most important topic, the Lindemann theory of unimolecular reaction. So let's get started. अगर मान लो मेरे पास एक कंटेनर है और इस कंटेनर के अंदर मेरे पास एक गैसियस स्टेट में एक गैस प्रेजेंट है, एक मॉलिक्यूल प्रेजेंट है। लेट अस से मैं उसका नाम रख देती हूँ ए। सपोज इस मॉलिक्यूल का नाम है ए। और तो ऐसे बहुत सारे मॉलिक्यूल प्रेजेंट है इस कंटेनर में। ए प्रेजेंट है, उसके अलावा कोई मॉलिक्यूल प्रेजेंट नहीं है। सो इट स्पीक्स अबाउट gaseous decomposition. There are many molecule present in their in this container. There are all in the random motion. Let's say mechanism. There are three possibilities for mechanism. First process is the activation process. कोई भी ए मॉलिक्यूल दूसरे ए मॉलिक्यूल के साथ टकराएगा और मिक्स होगा, तो फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल एक एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी में जाएगा, एक्टिवेशन स्पेसिस में जाएगा और एक मॉलिक्यूल नॉर्मल स्टेट में रह जाएगा। सेकेंड, डीएक्टिवेशन प्रोसेस। एक्टिवेटेड स्पेसिस किसी भी एक नॉर्मल मॉलिक्यूल के साथ टकराएगी, उसके बाद दोनों मॉलिक्यूल अपना एनर्जी रीअरेंज करेंगे तो फिर से डीएक्टिवेटेड होके नॉर्मल स्टेट पे जाएंगे, तो इसे हम कहेंगे डीएक्टिवेशन। एकमात्र डीएक्टिवेशन प्रोसेस नहीं है, मे बी ऐसा हो सकता है कि अगर मेरे पास ए स्टार प्रेजेंट है और वाला उसको सामने वाला ए मॉलिक्यूल मिल ही नहीं पा रहा, उसके थोड़ी टाइम के बाद के लिए वो डिकम्पोज हो जाएगा और डिकम्पोज होने के बाद मुझे प्रोडक्ट देगा ए स्टार यूज पी। ये भी एक डीएक्टिवेशन प्रोसेस है। In steady state approximation, we know that intermediate is approximately zero. So here A star is the intermediate. So here rate of A star is d of concentration of A star divided by dt is equal to zero. Here formation और होगा और decomposition भी होगा। In step first, here A star is formatted, or in second and third step A star is decomposition. So zero is equal to rate of the first step k1. Here k1, k2 and k3 is the rate constant. So rate of the first step activation process, k1 is equal to k1 into concentration of A into concentration of A minus k2 into concentration of A star into concentration of A minus k3 into concentration of A star. Next, 0 is equal to k1. Here a1 concentration into a concentration into a concentration. Here we write here a concentration square minus here we uh, common minus k2 into concentration of A plus uh, minus here get plus, so k3. And here A star is concentration of A star is common. So here we have uh, concentration of A star is equal to k1 k1 into concentration of A square divided by k3 plus k2 concentration of A. This is your most important equation, and this is the your Lindemann unimolecular theory equation. Here a molecule is in the gaseous state. So in gaseous state there is no concentration, there is a pressure. So we modified this equation. So we have k1 into pa square plus divided by k3 plus k2 into pa. Therefore a rate is equal to k3 k3 into from equation number uh, equation number 3. Here a star intermediate equation, a star gives p. Here k3 is the rate constant, so rate is equal to k3 K1 into Pa square divided by K3 plus K2 into Pa. We divide numerator and denominator to K2. So K3 into K1 divided by K2 into Pa square divided by K3 divided by K2 plus Pa. If we put K3 K1 divided by K2 is equal to K, and K3 by K2 is equal to K dash. So we get, after simplifying this equation, we have rate is equal to K into Pa square divided by K star plus K dash plus Pa. We also write this equation, rate is equal to, here K is constant, so we also write here Pa square divided by 1 plus Pa. This is also important, but uh, here two possibilities. Uh, Suppose in this container the molecule is at the high pressure, or the molecule is at the low pressure. So in case first, at high pressure, Pa is much greater than K dash. So rate is equal to K into Pa square divided by Pa. So Pa get cancelled. We have K into Pa. So if the molecule at the high pressure, so it follows first order kinetic. In case second, at low pressure, Pa is much less than K dash, so rate is equal to K into Pa square divided by K dash is directly proportional to Pa square, because K get cancelled. If the molecule at low pressure, it follows second order kinetics. It is most important equation for set net and MSc, BSc students. Still, there are so many objections. If it is a unimolecular reaction, then it is in the second step. Let's see here, second step is not possible because the molecule is the bimolecular in second step. In activation process, their molecule is prepared after two molecule are mixed, that is it is a bimolecular, and this some objection, and therefore it is not accept worldwide, but still we are study here.